Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 82. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I've kind of taken a break over the last 2 months from trading, especially since the market's been going down a lot and I've been kind of busy outside of trading and making these YouTube videos, but I'm finally starting to get back into it, so you'll probably see more of these videos in the future. And before we jump into today's trades, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. So the first stock that I traded this week was TQQQ, and what I had on it for this week was a cash secured put right here at this blue line. I believe I sold it somewhere right around here on one of these 2 days. I sold the cash secured put at $24.50 for a premium of $29, and that expired on Friday the 27th, so on this candle. And as you can see, price finished above the blue line, so this will expire worthless and I'll get to keep all of the premium. And then thinking about next week, I kind of want to see if price pulls back. If it pulls back a bit, then I'll sell another cash secured put, ideally somewhere around this range right here. I'm just looking to make, even if it's a small amount of premium, some amount of premium each week. The next stock that I traded was Facebook, so let me go ahead and pull that up. So I do have a leap call option on Facebook that is pretty large on its unrealized loss since the stock has really dropped. So my goal here is really just to keep selling calls against it as a poor man's covered call in order to just make back some amount of premium. I do have close to 300 something days left on that leap call option, so hopefully Facebook can recover quite a bit more before that expires. The trade that I took was selling a call right here at the $212.50 mark for a premium of $13, and this will expire next Friday. So ideally the price stays below this strike price and I'll get to keep that premium. If it gets really close, then I may consider rolling it to a higher price. The final stock that I was trading is TTD, or the Trade Desk. And the trades that I have on this were a couple of covered calls. So I own some shares of the Trade Desk and I have been selling calls against it. So the first one that expires next Friday is right here at this blue line at the $55 strike price for a premium of $24. The price is pretty close, but I am okay with getting these shares taken away if price does end up closing above this. And then I also sold another call today at the $64 strike price for 2 weeks out for a premium of $28. Again, if the price happened to climb all the way up here in 2 weeks and take away my shares, I'd be completely fine with that. So I'm selling these calls at price points where I'd be okay with getting those shares taken away. And then just some things that I have in my backlog right now are the leap call option on Facebook with approximately 300 days, and then a couple of TQQQ leap call options with, I believe, close to 400 or 500 days remaining, maybe even 600 days. But my goal there again is just to keep selling against them to collect even a small amount of premium. And then ideally those call options or the stock price will recover a bit more to where the original value was. But if not, I will continue to collect that small amount of premium. So all in all, although a small profit this week of only $29, still happy to kind of get back into the trading. And then right now, next week, we have $13 on Facebook and $24 on TTD set up for a $47 profit. And I might add another trade on TQQQ for next week. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below and I'll make sure to answer them. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.